In this video we will talk about how to increase the screen refresh rate from 60 Hz to at least 75 Hz. My variant is actually MSI Bravo 15 A4DDR 60 Hz version, and here I will show you. This is actually I am running it at 75 Hz. Okay, this is actually MSI Bravo 15 and 60 Hz screen, and how I have did I will show you. So first of all, you have to download CRU. I will provide the link in the description, and there will be a zip file. From that link you will get, and after you get that, you extract it. After extraction, you will find a folder like that, CRU 151. That's version 1.5.1. Before all of this, we have to get a restore point, because doing anything experimental you should have take actually restore point. So it's recording. Okay, now we will create a restore point, and nothing but you search here, that's a restore point, you search here and create a restore point. After that you select create. Make sure this protection is turned on. If it is turned off, then create here and configure, and then turn protection on. Okay, so turn the protection on, and then next create. After create, give a name. Make sure that name you can recognize later. If anything crucial happened, you can actually restore your system from this. Suppose the name I give to this date, that is 01/1/22, and I press create. After that, the system will actually create the restore point. It will take some time. Okay, so our restore point is created. After this, all you have to do is download the CRU as I told before, and go to cru.exe and start this folder. After that, you have to do, this is the refresh rate your screen actually have, and here you can see that my screen supports up to 75 Hz, and your will also. Make sure your PC is not too much old. It's until 2017 it will work successfully. Okay, so this is a 75 Hz. It can actually function in the 1024 into 768 refresh resolution. So you do what? Here is select this option and press on edit. You will get this all, nothing you have to worry. Just press copy and then cancel. Okay, now you have to press add and press paste. After this, just you have to do this refresh rate to 75 Hz. I will recommend you, if your screen has 60 Hz, then increase in the way 60 from 65 to 70, then 75, not 60 to 75. As I have experimented before, I am directly giving 75, as I know there will be no problem. So 75 I press, and then OK, and then again OK. That's all. Now you have to do restart your PC. As I have done before, I will not restart, otherwise the recording will cut. So after you restart your PC, you will see an option here that your refresh rate is now 75 Hz. Select that, and you will get 75 Hz on your screen. Now make sure these two options of power settings, you go to power settings from control panel, and on power settings, make sure these options are being off, that is turn off the display. This option should be never, otherwise there will be a problem. And that will not be fixed. Okay, so that's it. You set it to never, and I will show you that my screen is actually on 75 Hz through this refresh rate test. uh, okay, now here you see my screen is being 75 Hz, and you are actually running 60 Hz screen at 75 Hz. Now I can show you that the games will also run at 75 Hz too. So let me show you that thing. Okay, it's been recording. Okay, fine. I will show you Rise of Tomb Raider here, and it's being, you can now see that my refresh rate will be 75 Hz here. You can see that this synchronization is on, and this is being 75 Hz always. This is being 75 Hz, and I can play the game at 75 Hz. So here it is. Sometimes what occurs actually after the overclock, the PC actually does not turns on, but the display just after showing this icon never appears. Like here it is appearing, but sometimes it actually the black screen. So in that case you have to do what? When the black screen occurs, you just hold the power button and for some times, so that it will turn off completely and the PC will turn off, okay, forcefully. Now again press this button and release just once as you turn on, and you can see you will again go to that black surface which is now popping up, but sometimes it's the black surface. So again do that same thing, and the PC will turn off. Again turn it on, and it will take you into the recovery mode. Okay, it will take you into the recovery mode, and you can see that see some advanced repair option. You can actually, here you can see this is the see some advanced repairing options. You can go there and you can go to troubleshoot. After that you can go to advanced options and then system restore. You go to system restore, and when you go to next, here I have selected the 1122 that I have done just before the recording, and this and then next, and the system will be restored to previous to the overclock, and the system now will successfully turn on without the black screen. This is the solution if anything haphazard occurs due to the overclock. And here I told about how you can go to the recovery mode. Okay, so here it is. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Thank you.